Hey, thanks for tuning into Auto Wheels. Jesse here. So we're about to go on this Walgreens. I had recently spoken to somebody. They were gonna get a little shipper or some kind of display in for Hot Wheels for I guess Christmas or something. So they said they got the truck in last night. So hopefully it should be in there this morning. If not, I'm hoping they'll go in the back and get it for me so I can go through it. And I'll try to take you on that journey with me if I'm able to. So let's have some fun. Make sure you're subscribed to the notification bell. Doing this future videos, and let's do this. Hey guys, Jesse hot off the roof. So she just brought them out. Go through them. You have to find the SRT. So let's set this up right here on this card. Honestly, I don't know what the Super looks like. I should. Let's see. I don't think that's a Super either, but we're gonna set anyone that look like a Super out. Yeah, really nice. There's that one. The GoPro car. So now we're just gonna move them around. And even if there's no Super retarded on in here, I'll still buy a couple. She was nice enough to bring them out, so I'm gonna probably buy at least a few Hot Wheels from her. She wanted to go through them. But yeah, I'm pretty sure that's not Super. I'll leave those out for now. Ooh, that'd be nice. I think I see something in here. Nope, not the Super. There's a Super in that, I believe, but I don't think that's it. I'll set up and I'll get a Super, but I might buy it from her if it's not. Either way, like I said, I'm gonna. Alright. You just there's some weird displays here. Couple Dune Daddies. Fast gassing. There's those. And they're in the greatest shape, unfortunately. Oh, Tesla. May not be super on this. Accurate NSX, everybody puts it around. That truck, so I might buy that. Like I said, if there's no Super Treasures in here, I'll be kind of shocked, but I'm gonna at least buy a couple of Hot Wheels from them and see if we're nice enough to let me go through this. We got back here in the back, Ford F-100. Yeah, there's a Z-Mac in that as well. I haven't seen it anywhere. Little Camaro SS right here. A couple of the Jerry rigged Nova wagons. I wonder why they come all like jacked up like that. That's nice. Little Porsche 917 LH. There's an eruption right there. Chevy Nova wagon. Two of the Camaros. There's the little things I'll put on them. Ford Mustang. Oh, this is probably the Golf. Yep, Golf Mustang. Oh, so far no supers or treasure hunts in any of these. Orange indeed. Bubble back. I'm pretty sure there's no treasure hunt in that one. There's in the 20 or 2019 season, I believe. I can't remember. Yeah, we'll put that back there. Done. One more to go through. These are the ones I'm gonna buy. Find a super treasure hunt. I'm gonna go more. Stay there. Alright, well that about wraps up this video. I do hope you enjoyed it. I really did. I thought it was really nice of the staff there at Walgreens to allow me to go through these 3 little sidekicks or displays. So let me know your thoughts. I was a little disappointed that there was no super, but it's all part of the hunt, you know, part of the fun. So at least I found a treasure hunt, which is pretty awesome. But let me know your thoughts and opinions. Leave me a like, drop a comment, and I will see you all in the next peg hunts or diecast video. Take care. Thanks for watching.
Little displays, little sidekicks.
I want to buy these from her. Yeah, these I figured I own that much. Yeah, too bad there wasn't a super of the Dodge Demon. That would have been nice, but overall, not too bad.